In this video, we will learn about membership operators in Python. So, there are two membership operators. That is, in operator and not in operator. So let's understand it one by one. Now I am creating a new variable x, holding a list. And I am just assigning a value 1 string that is hello and a list within a list, that is 5. Now, I am creating a new variable and in the next line, that is y, and I am assigning a string, that is hello. Now, I am printing a new statement, writing a print statement, in which I am writing y in x. Then it will be printing true, but if y is not in x, then it will print false. So here it will print true for all the values, that is present in x. When I assign 8, then it shows false, because 8 is not present. Now here are some of the examples. Let's understand not in operator. Now I am changing the value of y, which is not present in x. Now when I run the code, it will show me that true because it is not present in x. Now same way, I am writing a hello string to y and run the code and it show me false because hello is present in x. Thank you.